Jericho's dead inside. Oh, that used to be a window, did it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, what's in here? I'm gonna look around here.
Oh, that doesn't open. Oh,
Yes, it does.
Okay.
Clean up your act, bitch. That's a nice sound.
Bitch.
All right, let's see. Oh God.
They still have this at Gateway Center.
Oh God. I fucked it up now.
Okay, we're going down.
Hold on. All right, so what do I do?
Hit
Down?
Hit down. Two. Close the door quickly.
Hold on, let me-
Close the door quickly.
Why?
Close the door quickly.
Why is the indicator 20
What? Oh fuck! That's why you pulled the button out. Now it's lost.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah, that's why I told you not. That's what it'll do in a pop out. I experimented that with investment. Those.
So where are we going to stop?
It may go to loading dock. And then to get the 2, we may have to go to 3. But we'll see what happens. We're on 2.
That's weird how the doors do that.
There's 2 door operators.
What the fuck? There's 2 doors.
Yeah, don't do it.
Why are there 2 door operators?
Don't mess with the doors.
But there's 2 door operators. One for the
It's
outside.
weird, yes.
Hold on.
Hold on, I gotta see if I fixed it.
Why are there 2 door operators? That's so weird. This is the weirdest system I've ever seen. Why are there 2 indicators? Are they for
This
call?
one is for up and down call. This one knew if you had a call. This one is the actual number indicator.
What about that one? Isn't that one for calls?
That one is from when this was actually fully manual.
Hold the fuck on. Hold the fuck on. Did you see that Westinghouse with Epco in Chicago?
Which one?
This was never fully manual.
Because it has the same enunciator. That one was a Westinghouse signal control.
Yeah, the one at Gateway Center has the same enunciator too.
That was probably a Westinghouse signal control.
Yeah, probably was. It's the service one too, so probably was.
That was not open when we did that. That door was not open when we were up here earlier.
What do you mean?
That door there. We're getting off.
Why?
Someone's needing the elevator.
Will it respond to calls?
No, it's fully.
Can we please here? Evan, would you send it up before?
No, we can't send it up.
Or can you ride it up before? I want to see the doors closed.
No.